Welcome to this tutorial on how to download GoHenry spending controls, a feature that allows parents to manage their child's spending and teach them financial literacy. To get started, you will need to have a GoHenry account and the GoHenry app installed on your device. First, open the GoHenry app and log in to your account using your email and password. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Settings or Dashboard section, where you can find the Spending Controls option. Click on this option to access the Spending Controls dashboard. In the Spending Controls dashboard, you can set daily or weekly spending limits for your child's account. You can also set specific spending limits for certain merchants or categories, such as restaurants or entertainment. To set a spending limit, simply enter the amount and select the merchant or category. In addition to setting spending limits, you can also receive real-time notifications when your child makes a purchase. This feature allows you to stay on top of your child's spending and ensure they are staying within their limits. To enable notifications, go to the Settings section and select the Notifications option. To download the GoHenry app and access spending controls, visit the App Store or Google Play Store and search for GoHenry. Click the Download button to install the app. Then follow the prompts to create an account or log in to your existing account. As a best practice, it is recommended to regularly review and update your child's spending limits to ensure they are aligned with their changing needs and financial goals. You can also use the Spending Controls feature to teach your child about budgeting and responsible spending habits. By following these steps and using the Spending Controls feature, you can help your child develop healthy financial habits and make smart spending decisions. Remember to always monitor your child's account activity and adjust the spending limits as needed to ensure they are staying on track.